Today in the grain market, soybeans surged higher. The futures did rise up to 1080, well, 1079 and 3/4, but it did get a big lift after the USDA report. Exports to China remain very, very strong still. And the report just said that the ending stocks for the world ending stocks are much lower, and even the U.S. stocks are lower as well, and gave the market a big boost. One thing to remember about the exports to China, if they continue, that's really going to put some pressure on the supplies that we have here in the U.S. Even right now, the exports are up 159% from last year for soybeans. So something to watch going forward. I think on Monday we'll be able to find, after the weekend, we're able to really digest all the numbers and see how it's going to affect the market, because we're way above all the technical numbers right now, and certainly we are in an overbought situation. But that being said, the market is still looking very strong. Now, corn did rebound. That USDA report did send the futures to another new high. It almost made that $4 mark, not quite exactly, but let's watch to see if the farmers come in and do any selling. If they do next week, we can see the market really turn around. Now, even for corn and soybeans, the markets did not end on their highs. They did pull back somewhat, but I think it's the end of the week. Everyone's trying to figure out exactly what these numbers mean. And at the same time, we're in the middle of harvest. These last 2 weeks have been great for bringing in the harvest, and the next week, certainly in the Midwest, is dry enough to expect the farmers to really move along on their harvest gathering. So perhaps we're going to get a solid number before we did last year. I think last year it was in January that we got that number. So hopefully that's going to be helpful, but I think that's putting a little bit of a lid on the market going forward. Wheat today was easier. The ending stocks were, above the estimates, just opposite of what corn and soybeans were. And there was a little bit of a wild swing in the markets today. And I think that the carry out just looks nothing like the corn and soybeans, that they've been basically on their lows. And wheat just still just telling us that there's plenty out there. So we did get a pullback in wheat. Certainly not as much as I expected. It really quickly started to move down, but was able to find some underlying support. So that just means that there's going to be a lot more volatility ahead. We have big participation in the market. We're definitely mature in our electronic trading these days, and so we just go from report to report. But the market has been gaining some momentum, certainly on the upside, but it can gain just as much on the downside. So we have to watch out there. While there's plenty of opportunities out there, there still is risk to be managed as well.